I used to grind hard for small money until I discovered AI automations. These 6 tools didn't just save me time, they helped me make over $10,000 online. Here's how. AI automation is using smart tools to do your work, faster, smarter, and automatically. Instead of working all day, I set things up once, and the system did the rest. I used ChatGPT to write blogs, emails, and scripts, then sold them on Fiverr. What took 3 hours before now takes 15 minutes. I automated content ideas, outlines, and scheduling with Notion AI. No more blank screen, I always know what to post. I use Canva's Magic Design and Magic Write to create logos, flyers, and ads fast. I've sold designs to businesses that needed quick branding. I paste a script, and Pictory turns it into a full video. I post them on YouTube and TikTok for passive income. I automated client emails, file sharing, and social media posts using Zapier. It runs my systems while I sleep. I use Suno to create background music and intros for my videos. It makes my content sound pro, and I sell tracks to creators too. I didn't make 10K overnight, but with AI automations, I stopped trading time for money and started building income systems. Want to do the same? Follow Brain Boost AI. We share the tools, tricks, and mindset for the new digital hustle.